Welcome to KK4PAL Ham Radio Unleashed. Let me turn that other radio down over there. 2 meters are making a little bit of noise there. Got a little package in the mail today. Let's do a little unboxing. Now I did split this a little bit so I could get my fingers under it so y'all could see what was going on. Let's see what all we got. We got a phono jack there. Take a look at that. Sorry about the focus, but the camera's not wanting to focus real well. Oh, we got a second one. This one's a little different here. One is a 3. This is the 3. You got 1, 2, 3 points on it. This one is a 2. It appears to be a 2. No, it might be a 3. But I got 2 different jacks there. Let's see what else is in here. Not wanting to come out. We got what appears to be a jig. Looks like those 2 ports will fit in there. One smaller than the other. And let's see what else we got left in the bag. I feel more stuff in this bag. We got a computer board. Looks like it's got to be broke down a little bit. Let's get some of the glare off of it so you can see it. And there was one more item in the bag. Got it out right here. Oh my, it's a sticker. Coffee and Ham Radios. I wonder what this might be. This board might end up being. I got a funny feeling that might be the all-in-one cable board. That way you don't have to use specific cables for specific radios to program them. You can use this. So I'm going to get this thing built in the next week or so, and we'll get a video up when it gets up and done. T.O., Jim, guys, Ape, appreciate it. I'm going to enjoy putting this together. And when you get some more, be sure to post them up so everybody else can get one. Thank you. See ya. 7-3.